and gentlemen, welcome to Orange County. Local time is 10:42 a.m. We'll be taxiing for a few more minutes. Please remain in your seat with your seatbelts fastened and all carry-on items stowed until the seatbelt sign is turned off. You may now use your cell phone and other cellular devices. All other electronic devices must be turned off at this time. Before leaving the airplane, please make sure you have all your personal belongings. Please use care when opening all overhead bins, as contents may have shifted during the flight. On behalf of United and our Star Alliance partners, we thank you for flying with us this morning, and we look forward to seeing you on another United flight. Good morning and have a great day.